Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Biology Objective Past Question 45. Which of the following diseases can be inherited? A. Pneumonia. B. Whooping cough. C. Sickle cell anemia. D. Malaria. So we are asked which disease can be inherited. In other words, which of the diseases mentioned in the options is hereditary. So when a disease is hereditary, that means the disease is transmitted with genes from parents to offspring. So that is a hereditary disease. Now let's look at which of the diseases is hereditary. Now, pneumonia is an airborne respiratory disease. That means it is transmitted via droplets, air droplets, such as from cough or sneezing. So that is how pneumonia is transmitted. Now option B is whooping cough. Now whooping cough is also an airborne respiratory disease and also transmitted from air or via air droplets. Droplets, that is cough and sneezing. And then option C, which is sickle cell anemia, is caused by a gene mutation in the gene responsible for hemoglobin formation. Now, hemoglobin is a protein that is found in red blood cells. Now, that protein is what gives red blood cells their characteristic red color, and also what enables red blood cells to carry iron, to transport iron and oxygen. Transport oxygen especially. So, option D is malaria. Now, I will also add to sickle cell anemia that it is a hereditary trait that is transmitted from parents to offspring, as it is present in the gene. Now option D says malaria. Now malaria is spread or transferred by the female Anopheles mosquito. Now you can see that option A, B and D are communicable diseases, but option C, sickle cell anemia, is a genetic abnormality, a genetic disease that is transmitted from parents to offspring because it is present in the genes. So it is a hereditary trait, so it can be inherited. So option C, sickle cell anemia, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.